Hello, boys and girls. I have another story for you. We're going to read Little Duckling Lost. And this book is by Tracy Corduroy and Tina McNaughton. And it has some sparkly, shimmery stuff on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. One breezy day, 4 little ducklings were making a daisy chain. "Pick and thread," chanted Polly, Molly, and Holly. "Look at me," chuckled Dylan, all tied up in a big flowery knot. "Now," said Mommy, "we're off to the pond for your very first swim. Hold on to the daisy chain so you won't get lost." "It's a choo-choo train," cried Dylan. "Choo-choo." Polly, Molly, Holly, and Dylan skipped along behind Mommy, singing a springtime song. 4 little ducklings in a row, skipping across the bridge we go. Wiggle our tails, we're on our way, down to the pond to splash and play. Suddenly, the ducklings spotted a beautiful blue feather. "So pretty," gasped Polly, Molly, and Holly. "Come back," cried Dylan, as the feather blew away. Then he had a wonderful idea. On the other side of the bridge, some baby lambs were playing catch the petals. "We want to play too," said Polly. "All right," smiled Mommy. She counted her ducklings as they hopped off the bridge. Polly, Molly, Holly, and... "Oh my!" she gasped. "Where's Dylan?" All in a fluster and a flap, everyone searched for Dylan. Suddenly, Molly spotted him stuck up in a tree. "Surprise!" cried Dylan. "I got the pretty feather for you." "Oh, Dylan," said Mommy, "you are a sweetie, but what did Mommy say about not getting lost? Now, hold on to the choo-choo chain, and don't let go," quacked Polly. On they went into the woods, singing their song, 4 little ducklings all in a row, counting the flowers as we go. Flutter our wings, we're on our way, down to the pond to dive and play. Lovely," cried the girls, sniffing the flowers. "Achoo!" sneezed Dylan. Then he had a wonderful idea. At the top of the hill, some baby hedgehogs were playing roly-poly. "We want to roll too," said Polly. "All right," smiled Mommy. She counted her ducklings as they tumbled down the hill. Polly, Molly, Holly, and... "Wait!" she flapped. "Where's Dylan?" With wings a-flutter and feathers a-flyin', everyone searched for Dylan. Then suddenly a whirlwind of fluff came spinning towards them. "Surprise!" cried Dylan. "I picked some pretty flowers for you." "Oh, Dylan," said Mommy, "you are kind, but you forgot what Mommy told you again." "Don't let go of the daisy chain," yelled his sisters. On they waddled under a hedge, and at last they saw... the pond! "Phew!" gasped Mommy. "All safely here." Polly, Molly, and Holly dipped their toes in the water. But it's cold, they shivered. We don't like it. Then suddenly, splash! Dylan was in. And now, and wow, this was fun, cried Dylan, look at me! He splished and he splashed and swam until all too soon it was time to go. On the way home, Dylan felt very clever. He could swim and Mommy had said he was great. He yawned as a big silver moon lit the sky, and he and his sister sang one final song. 4 sleepy ducklings all in a row, waddling back for tea we go. Tiny stars begin to peep, soon we'll all be fast asleep. When they got home, Mommy toasted muffins for tea, and she counted her ducklings at the table. Polly, Molly, and... Oh dear, she sighed, not again! Where's Dylan? Polly wiggled, Molly giggled, Holly whispered in Mommy's ear. And then they peeped around the door. And there, curled up in his choo-choo chain, was Dylan. Nighty-night, giggled his sisters as he gave a tiny snore. Sleep tight, whispered Mommy. Sweet dreams. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. That little Dylan kept forgetting his Mommy's rules about staying together, didn't he?